I'll show you how to create a video inside a text. Start by dragging your video onto the timeline. Choose a visually appealing clip with motion or color variation to make the effect pop. Next, select the Type tool and click on the program monitor to type your text. Adjust the size, font, and positioning in the Essential Graphics panel to suit your style. Make sure the text layer is on top of the video layer and extend its duration to match the length of your video. Now, open the Effects panel and search for Track Matte key. Drag it onto the video layer, not the text layer. Then, go to Effect Controls, find Track Matte key, and adjust the following settings. Matte. Select the video track where the text is placed, in our case, Video 2. This tells Premiere to use the text as a mask, revealing only the part of the video inside the text. You can also add a background layer under the text to make it stand out more. Now, play your timeline and watch as your video plays beautifully inside the text. And that's it! You've successfully placed a video inside text in Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative video editing tips.